Hi, this is the Galaxy A24 and I'll show you how to customize AOD option on this device. So first, open the settings application and tap the lock screen. Click the always on display section. Here we could switch just shown time on the lock screen, but like show it always, show as the shadow, the start and time to show it for new notifications, or by tap to show. We could switch the clock style here. Just let's select one from the available times. For example, we could also use here the image clock, like from the photos from the gallery or some stickers. So I'll use just the regular, for example this clock. We could also switch the color of the text. Just tap to done. We could show music information and to change the screen orientation from portrait to landscape, to change the brightness level to decrease or increase it, and also we could use the auto brightness. So that's it. That's how to customize the option on our Galaxy device. Thank you for watching. Okay, we just not switch it from the tap to show to always. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.